Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I just wanted to show you what I've been up to. I've been making some beautiful little shabby chic embellishments, and then I have got a little tutorial which I'm going to show you how to make one of these. I was gifted yesterday some absolutely beautiful trims and lace and everything. So look at this, this is absolutely gorgeous. So I thought I'd use some of this. This is what I had before, which is some tulle. This is just off a little dress, which I thought was really pretty. I think I got that in a charity shop, that dress. And then I got some beautiful lace here, which is absolutely gorgeous, and some more trim. I've got lots and lots of stuff. I was so lucky. And then lots of offcuts of this beautiful lace, which I have tea stained some of it. It's come out absolutely gorgeous. So I thought I'd show you what I've been making. I've got some paper underneath it. So what I've just done, this is just a digital paper underneath. I've made some little tags like this, and I just thought I'd pop a little bulb clip in there, so I could sort of hang them up. And these ones here, because I thought I'd put them on a page like this, and then I thought I'd just pop a little bit of, maybe a little bit of lace over the top of one of the pages and just hang it off instead of sticking them in the pocket, because they've got the little frilly bits on. I thought they'd look quite nice just to hang off. Then you could write on the back and then hang it back up again, and you've got a little separate little tag. So I thought they were really pretty, and it was so nice to get back into something pretty to make, and I thought they were really lovely. There's another one here, so I've got a little bit of the tulle and those beautiful roses, and another little tag on there, and that's the other one. So this is where I've cut out on this lovely piece of lace here. You can see the flowers. So if you get some, if you have anything, even if it's an old lacy shirt, have a look at it and see what you can actually cut out. There's little bits here that you can cut out as well. And they make beautiful little embellishments. So that's gorgeous, and that's one of the little flowers on there. And then I've made some little pockets. This is for a journal which is 4 by 6, so I thought these would fit on the page beautifully. And then it's a little pocket, and you just pop something in there. I thought you could even have it so that hangs off underneath the journal, and I thought they were just gorgeous. So there's that one, and I've got a little one there. There's some little bits popped on top. This one I've got the little frill at the top, and then a little bit of the trim there. Got a tiny bit of gold in there which looks really pretty. And then this one I've actually covered the whole card with the tulle. A little bit of the lace on there, a little flower I've made out of the tulle, and then a little bit of the rose in the middle. And then these ones I've just made some little corner pockets like that. That's one for that side, and then I've got one for this side, which I thought looked quite pretty. And then I've made some little belly bands, so they just go across. I've just added some tulle and one of the little lace flowers and the roses, so we can just pop something through there. And then I've got another one, and that's the lovely lace here, which is all antique lace, which is absolutely gorgeous. There we go. So this is what I wanted to show you how to make. These are little pullouts. So they're like, you just pop them on the top of your page with a paper clip, and then they're little journaling spots. So they just open up like that. So they're quite small, and then you've got a great big piece to journal in, and they just fold back up and pop on the top of your page like that. And then I've got a bigger one here, and they just open up like that. You've got all that journaling space. A little while ago, when I first started, I made something similar to this, but I made them into little hearts. So you'll probably look back at the video and probably see that. It's probably an awful video because it's one of my very first ones, but still. This just pops out like that, so I thought that was really nice. So I thought I'd show you how to make those, because that's a nice little addition to your journals, and they can fit in the pocket. This one is, I've got them ready to do, but if you put them in, they will fit into a pocket like that as well. So it all depends what size journal you want to make. and that fits in, but I thought they would look really nice just clipped to the top of a page, and then you could just pull them off and open them out, and they got the back and the front. So I'm going to just show you how to do that, but it was so lovely to make something really pretty. So I'm going to make a little journal for these to go in. So I'm going to pop those on the side. Now I've already cut the papers out. Now I've got two sizes, so if you wanted to make the smaller one, the inner page is 4 by 4. That's the bit that folds up. Okay, and then the two outside bits, that's 2 1/8 of an inch by 2 1/8 of an inch, so they're square. And the same with the little paper toppers, the paper bit, so you can use whatever paper you want to, but the actual card is 2 1/8, and that's 4 by 4. Okay, and then if you want to do the larger one, this is 5 1/2 by 5 1/2, and these are 3 inches by 3 inches. So you need 4. You need 2 in the pattern paper you want to use and 2 in a card. So it's not a very thick card, but you need something that's a little bit sturdy. Okay, so I'm going to show you what to do. So to fold it, you just want to take your piece of paper and fold it in half, like that way, and then open it up, and you fold it in half that way. You probably know how to do this anyway, like that, and then you want to fold it corner to corner, so you want to do that way, like that. It's easier to put the 2 points together to do the corner bit, like that, and then you want to fold the other corner but this way, so turn it over, and then we'll just corner to corner, like that. Okay, so it goes this way, whoopsie daisy, and then this way. So then what we need to do is fold it up. So these fold in. Let's make sure we've got that folded nicely. So they need to fold in like that, if I can do it. And they fold down, so that goes on top. Okay, so that opens up. So the two, you need to fold these two in so they go down, and push that one down, and then you've got your little flippy up like that. Once you've done it a couple of times, it's quite easy to do. And then pop that to the side, and then what we need to do is just glue that onto there. So we should do that with a bit of glue stick, like this. Stick your bit of pattern paper. That's just some digital text paper, French script, I think it is. Pop that onto there. Okay, so on these ones, wherever I put them here, I have sewn around them, but so if you want to sew around them now, before I stuck them together. But I won't sew around these ones. I'll just leave them like that. So make sure they're all stuck. And then what we can do, we can just ink around the edges a little bit. My little finger dobber. Just to ink it again. If you can just ink it in any colour you like. So that just inks around like that. Oopsie daisy. Then what we need to do is stick this onto there, so just stick like that. So this is slightly, it goes slightly smaller, this, so it just fits in there nicely. So what we need to do is just glue this onto here. Make sure I haven't got glue everywhere. Stick that on. Let's make sure we're not stick it on this way. Make sure it's sort of up the right way. Like that. So that's writings that way, so that's got to go on there like that. Not that it really matters. So now we just stick that on top. Sandwich it all together like that. And there we go. You open it up. These ones I've just done with tea stain paper. That's all. That's why they're different colour, but I thought I'd just do these with white like that. So there we go. And then you just need to decorate the front. So we've got all sorts of bits and pieces here. We've got that lovely lace here. I did have some cut off ready here. So look, we've got a lovely little flower. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that little bit off here. Just cut it so it's straight. I'm going to pop it on the bottom because we're going to pop a paper clip on the top. So that can just stick down there like that. Let's have some 3-in-1. Pop that on there like so. Stick it down. Then we can get a little piece of this. And I'm going to pop just a little bit of the 3-in-1 glue on there like that, and I'm going to runkle this up, just gather it all together, and then you can just stick it on there like so. Make sure it's sort of even. Like that. And then we can have either, we'll have just a little one of these. So if you just use these into, individually, you've got hundreds. Look how many, I've got hundreds and hundreds. So lucky to have that scent. There we go. Pretty little journaling space that is. Little embellishments. So look, that just opens up. You do all your writing in there, and then you just clip it onto the top of your page. So let me get a little paper clip, and then I'm going to use a little bit of this tool again. Or you can use a ribbon, you can use anything. And I'm just going to wrap it round. Just tie a little knot in it on here, like that, and then that just goes on the top. I did think about actually making it into a paper clip, but you need something to keep it closed, so I don't think it would really work. Unless you had, you could make it into a paper clip, but you'd have to clip something at the bottom as well. Let's just pop that, and then that just sits on your page like that. So it looks really pretty. I think they look really lovely. So there we go. Just takes that out, and then they open up like that. So aren't they pretty? So I thought I'd just give you a quick tutorial on how I did that. But I just absolutely love all these lovely little embellishments that I've made to go in a journal. Look so pretty and feminine, don't they? Very shabby chic. There we go, quick tutorial for you. Hope you liked it. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and I will be making more videos. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.